Hi lovelies, welcome to another video. On this video I'm making coconut ice cream. Can you see on your screen how this ice cream is looking? It's given. Please, you should try it for your family, they will love it. And what I'm using to make this coconut ice cream is just a pot, your whisker. Here I'm using canned coconut milk, but you can, if you have fresh coconut at home, or you can just get at the store, you can use two coconuts, like medium big kind of coconut. Then here I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. I don't know, whichever one you have is the same thing. The essence of using this cornstarch or corn flour is just to give it this thickness. Okay, so here I will be adding my coconut milk into the pot. Then I would put it on top of a stove. Please reduce the light, just on a medium heat, like this. Then you stir. Then you add in a pinch of salt, please, a pinch of salt to it. Then you stir. Don't allow the milk to boil. Then you add in your condensed milk. Then you also stir very, very, very well, like the way you are seeing it here. Stir it very well. Next, we'll be mixing our 1 cup of powdered milk. Please let the water be small. Yes, just let it be thick. Then you can now add it into the mixture and stir. Please stir very, very well. Stir it very well. Then after that, lastly, what we are adding is the corn flour or cornstarch. That's what we are adding. Then you stir it. Do not allow the milk to boil. It's not going to boil. So when you mix it very well like that, it has incorporated. Can you see how thick it is? Then you just bring a bowl or ice cream plate. Then you can pour it in. Are you seeing the vapor coming out? So you allow it to cool down before freezing it. I did this in the evening, so I just dropped it in the freezer till the next morning. And this is how it looks like in the morning. So it's really looking beautiful. Can you see? And the taste is top notch. I forgot to add, you can add any flavor of your choice. Bye.